to the Queendom. The Queen of WWE is here. Already a legend from the Queen City, Charlotte Flair. Here comes the Queen. And from the Queen City, Charlotte.
Charlotte has spearheaded a movement to take this women's division to a level of competition it has never seen before.
About time I heard you pay the Queen her proper respect, Saxton. And you can see the respect from the WWE Universe for Charlotte. Okay, guys, here we go.
And you can't overlook Ronda Rousey, a superstar who carries the fact that she had one of the most impressive debut years in WWE history with her.
Here comes the setup, double underhook. There it is, pedigree. She's sewn this up like Betsy Ross. Gentlemen, Stephanie McMahon might have sewn this one up. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
Yeah, this is way too early to be going for the...
Ronda Rousey's done playing. Stephanie McMahon has her in her sights.
She wants it one more time. That might be the fight.
Here's the early cover from Ronda Rousey. She's finished.
Nobody can sustain a drop like that, Michael.
Still a lot more fight left. Set up for a second time. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Trouble is on the horizon. Attacking the arm.
Great way to break. This might be it.
Beautiful suplex. Charlotte getting pushed to the limits. Here comes the setup, double underhook. There it is. Measuring it up one more time. Will she win it here?
A thrilling victory.
These women put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Look at that girl there. Hips, lips, and hair. Walks with a flair like she just don't care. Nobody do her like she do her. Self-made,
Here are your winners, Ronda Rousey and Stephanie McMahon.
A very decisive victory here tonight. I gotta be honest, I wasn't expecting these two to work so well together under tornado tag team rules, but they were very impressive. Thank you for tuning in tonight, folks. We hope you enjoyed that great match.